like we said, make sure you turn in these two assignments. This one, it was from Friday, so today you're working on it. Test this Thursday, and we're solving for y. We said the opposite of a positive 7x is minus 7x. When I bring this down, it's not just 2y. Does everyone see it's minus or negative 2y? Subtracting does not change my inequality. Okay, so it stays the same. Please remember, the mx goes in front of the b. So the minus 7x is going to go first. The minus 14 will go second. Okay? Now, if I want y by itself, which I do, I need to get rid of that negative 2 coefficient by dividing everything by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. What did we learn about dividing by a negative? What happens? Does it stay the same or does something change? What changes? What's it called? The inequality, right? So right now it's a greater than or equal to, but because I divided by a negative, now it's going to be less than or equal to. It is very muy importante that you know that, right? So there I am highlighting it for you. Everyone with me? When you divide by a negative, flip that inequality. Now, negative divided by a negative is a positive 7 over 2x. Doesn't reduce. And then negative over a negative, again, becomes a positive. And then 14 divided by 2 is 7. Cool. Now, just by looking at that equation, there's a few things we can figure out. Is the line going to be dashed or solid? Hey, let's see. All right, dashed or solid? If it's underlined, what's that mean? Solid. Underlined inequality is solid. There's no gaps in the line. Solid line. It equals the line. Then, is it shaded above or below? Is that a less than or greater than? That is called a less than, kind of looks like an L. So that means it's going to be below. Less means below. Okay? I know the original one looked like it would be greater than, but since we divided by a negative, we had to flip it. And then it became less than. So greater than turned to less than. Now it's below. Now, you have class time to not waste, but to work on this assignment from the 12th and the 18th, okay? Knock them out. The one from Friday is very important. Unless I give you some corrections to work on, you'll do that first. All right, here we go.